live. What y'all gotta say for the YouTube?
Happy birthday.
Thank you.
Happy birthday, Nathan.
You got one, all right?
Look here, don't judge me, okay?
You got any tips for it?
Straight down the middle hole.
What happened? What happened?
Shout out to your fans. Strike it out. Strike it out.
Nah, you're gonna have to clean that up.
This is for all the marbles.
I did it, y'all. I PR'd the highest I ever scored since Corporate Challenge. Probably came to see it. 213, 300 total game score for those who don't know bowling. Are you over here giggling? Are you over here giggling? I'm happy. Don't drop that ball on my goddamn foot now. Don't drop that ball on my foot. Almost had it, almost. What's the joke? What's the giggly? Huh? The giggly goo. Rip off. It's not a good day today, man. I suck. I ain't doing what I normally do at these lanes, man. Got the drink, can't blame it on the drink. Clean this up there, watch. Got it. So I don't got no game plan. I'm just stepping out there. I got a full set to hit, as you can see right back here. We about to get them. We're gonna pick it up for this round 2. I can't go out like a fool, man. I gotta do better than this. I know I'm better, man. I'm a straight bowler. I don't know how to do all that curve and flipping the wrist and all that. Straight down the middle, straight to the pin. We knocking them all down. If I don't strike out on this game, I'm definitely gonna buy another game. I can't do that to myself. Do any of you guys bowl, by the way? You guys bowl? Y'all either live in Vegas or pull up to Vegas? Contact me. I ain't got enough, subscribers and stuff like that to be doing no meet and greet. But we can do a bowl and roll. You feel me? Something like that. Got him. And the very next time, guys, I'm now satisfied. I can go home happy. I can sleep real good, It's going to be a great night, baby. It's the first time I smiled the whole night. Finally starting to do something with the young double. 2 in a row. Let's get 2 more. Again, y'all, I don't know what's going on. Completed 1 game. Only got 129 points. And just a few days ago, I had 213. I don't know what happened. I can't blame it on the drink. I was drinking last time too. But I'm just doing horrible, man. We're gonna see what we can do. By the way, to the subscriber that came over to my table last time when I was playing, I appreciate you, man. It always catches me off guard when people recognize me in public. Like, even though I do have like a whole bunch of subscribers, or like you guys have been supporting me and stuff for a long time, I never really feel like, I'm the cool guy or nothing like that, since I make videos in the bathroom. But it's just crazy to know that so many people see them. And I really appreciate you guys, man. If you guys found my videos helpful, make sure you hit that thumbs up button, you know, subscribe, tell a friend. And if you see me say something, man, I'm gonna get comfortable enough one day to the point where y'all gonna walk up to me, I'm gonna bust the camera out and put you in a vlog or something. If I get there. Right now we still into the grooming type videos, but we gonna start doing vlogs and stuff, doing stuff outside of the bathroom sooner than later. Catch up with you.